The Ford RS200 is one of the most infamous creations of the Group B era. Built specifically for rallying, it had a striking, futuristic design, a mid-mounted, turbocharged engine, and all-wheel drive, a true monster designed to take on the best of the 1980s. Although the RS200's career in the World Rally Championship was cut tragically short after the end of Group B in 1986, the car still managed to showcase its potential. Drivers like Stig Blomqvist and Kalle Grundle demonstrated its raw speed, with a memorable third place in Sweden being its best official WRC result, while Mark Lovell would use one to claim the British Open title in 1986. Despite its brief competitive life, the RS200 has achieved legend status among rally fans, and like many of the Group B cars, it went on to be a dominant force in rallycross.